I'm taking my arachnophobic husband through UK's only free-roaming spider exhibit. Are you excited?
Absolutely not. No, I'd rather hug a cactus, to be quite honest.
I'm excited. As you walk up to Watford exhibit, you pass a bath with a common house spider and also one of the most venomous spiders in the world, the black widows.
That is horrendous. Why would you want that? Why would you even want to see that?
So we are now entering UK's only walk-through free-roaming spider exhibit.
I can't actually believe I'm doing this, to be quite honest. The things we do for content. Oh my god, I can see one already. They're massive. They're enormous.
You having a good time?
No, I can actually see.
They don't come off the webs though.
Oh, not really much of a...
Though the webs are closer to the path than I remember it.
Really
yeah.
close. They are really, really close. That one round. I mean, look how... Oh, there's one literally... I don't know how well you can see.
There's some right above our heads.
Oh, don't stop it. Oh.
And they've even got a selfie mirror in here where you can take a photo of a spider. Do you want to do one?
No.
No?
I can't imagine anything I would like a picture of less, to be quite honest. Oh, it's moving. It's actually moving on its thing. Oh.
Talk about how close you can get and look at this web that's right next to Craig's shoulder.
Oh. It's so like it's really tight in here. Oh. I just feel like things are on me. Oh.
To be fair, I do think spiders are really fascinating and very misunderstood. I can see why people are scared of them because they are a bit creepy looking, but they are nature's pest control. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's nothing I am not ready for.
You may notice that I'm now on my own because I realised I hadn't stopped to look at the bird-eating spider and he didn't want to come back round with me, so it is just me. It's not just a walk through. As you leave, there's all these exoskeletons of tarantulas, and I just noticed as well there's all these tanks here. It looks like most of them are Mexican red-knee tarantula, which is my favourite species of tarantula. What is yours?
I can assure you I do not have one. None of them.
So how do you feel now that you actually braved the spider walkthrough?
Awful. That's probably the worst video we've ever filmed. Didn't enjoy it. Don't recommend
It wasn't
it.
that bad though, was it?
But I tell you now, if I can go in there, then anybody can. I mean, yeah, they don't come anywhere near you. They obviously stay on the webs. They're not going to touch you. As long as you stay in the middle, you're not going to walk through any of the webs because that is the worst feeling in the world. But they are there, and you will have to look at them, and they are just as disgusting as any other spider. There's not many creatures on this earth that I am not a fan of, but that's just one I've never find any sort of respect for. Luckily, there's plenty of other stuff at London Zoo that you can enjoy, so go check out the full video that we've done on London Zoo, because there's plenty more, much nicer, much more cuddly and much more cute animals, isn't there, you can enjoy. Also, it wasn't actually, the Black Widow's no longer on display, is it? They've got a false widow on display.
Widow, yeah.
Luckily, the Black Widow is away somewhere in a really secure cabinet, it says on the video. Thank God, because I do not want to see that. They're bad enough on their own, never mind one that can kill you, sod that.